I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush on your laptop. Many players enjoy the convenience of a larger screen and more precise controls. We will cover two main ways to get started: playing directly in your web browser or downloading the dedicated application. Both methods offer a fantastic gaming experience, allowing you to crush candies and advance through thousands of levels from the comfort of your computer. Let's dive in. One of the simplest ways to play Candy Crush on your laptop is through your web browser. Just open your favorite browser, like Chrome or Edge, and go to the official Candy Crush Saga website. Once there, you can log in using your King account or Facebook profile to ensure all your progress is saved. This method is super convenient, requiring no extra software, and you can jump right into the fun in just a few moments. For more integrated experience, you can install the Candy Crush Saga application directly onto your laptop. If you are using a Windows computer, simply open the Microsoft Store, which is usually found on your taskbar or Start menu. Search for Candy Crush Saga, click to install, and the game will download and set up automatically. Once installed, you can launch it just like any other program, enjoying a dedicated gaming environment. To truly enhance your Candy Crush experience on a laptop, consider a few tips. Always connect your game to a King or Facebook account. This safeguards your progress across all devices. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth gameplay and receiving the latest updates. Also, take a moment to adjust the in-game sound and graphics settings to your liking, ensuring maximum enjoyment as you tackle those challenging levels. Happy crushing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.